Meaning of gasohol.
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 Gasohol. Gasohol is a fuel mixture composed of gasoline and ethanol. The term gasohol was coined in the 1970s as a response to the oil crisis, when gasoline prices rose and shortages occurred. Ethanol is added to gasoline to reduce the amount of petroleum used, increase octane ratings, and decrease emissions. Gasohol has become more popular in recent years due to its environmental benefits compared to gasoline. However, gasohol may have lower fuel efficiency than pure gasoline, and some vehicles may not be compatible with higher ethanol blends.